Why am I doing this? I'm doing this to capture your attention. How are you going to capture attention if you're a business with a product or a service? You're going to teach people what it is that you know. And how are you going to do that? You're going to create a course, mastermind, or a workshop. Okay, why are you going to do this? People watch you for two reasons. They want to be entertained. Make that three reasons. They want to be entertained, they want to be educated, and they want to be inspired or motivated. Okay? What can do this is a video of you sharing your story about why it is you do what you do. That's going to capture your customer's attention. Okay? So you're going to create a video sharing your story. Okay? Simply telling them about why it is you do what you do. Your customers will then relate to you. They're going to see this person is a human just like me. They've overcome a problem with a solution. Okay? Your product, your service is a solution to your customer's problem. Okay? Does it make sense? So in your story, you're going to be sharing the problem that you've experienced yourself and how you overcome that with your own solution to that problem which you are now providing to the customer or service, okay, with your business. The solution, you're going to be sharing that in your story. It's just a video sharing your story, okay? Alright, so the video. What are you going to do with that video? That video will form an ad, okay, whether that be on YouTube or it can be on TikTok, it can be on Facebook Live, simply sharing your problem and solution through a story, right? So that's going to capture the customer's attention, okay, because you're actually sharing something about yourself, perhaps even teaching them something. You're teaching them how to overcome a problem with a solution. So that's going to capture their attention. They're going to listen to you, okay? That's going to take them to a link, like www.blablabla.com. It's going to take them to a link, which is your course, your mastermind, or your workshop, okay? And in that course, mastermind, or workshop, you're going to further educate them on what it is you do, what you do. And why and how you do what you do, okay? You're going to teach them, if you're a makeup artist, for example, you're going to teach them how to do makeup. If you are a piano player and you want to capture attention to yourself, you're going to teach people how to play the piano, okay? If you're a miner, you're going to teach them how to get into the mining industry, okay? Your course, mastermind, or your workshop is going to teach your customers, which will further grab their attention, okay, and get them to listen to you. Their attention's going to be on you, what you do for a service, the products that you provide, okay. You can create links in that course, mastermind, or workshop, further links that take them to your more products, more services, what it is that you do. So if you're teaching makeup, it's a short makeup course, mastermind, or workshop. You could further teach them, you could have a link taking them to your business, okay? If you want to apply makeup to them, if that's what you do, first you teach them how to apply makeup, then you say, if you would like me further courses on